very special moment in my life. You are the one who helped me to get back on the right track. Thank you, Ali, for always being there for me and loving me unconditionally. You are the one I needed most. Thank you for choosing me, even though I'm not handsome at all. Smarter person than you know. Love, after all happiness, sadness, problems, mistakes, and even disappointments, these are things that only two of us know, and they haven't been easy for either of us. But at least, they've been valuable experience that have made our relationship stronger. We learned from our mistakes, and most importantly, they brought us to where we are now. Officially together. And boyfriend mo na ako now. And our parents know about our relationship now. I'm really happy about that. I just wanna tell you, happy first month anniversary. I love you very much. Mwah!
Sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na, hawakan mo ang aking kamay. O para luman, ika'y aking nagdadalhin sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi awitan ng kundi man di magsusama, di ka pababayaan. Sasayaw kita hanggang Palagi kita lawitan ng hindi magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, sasayaw kita. Mamahalin kita hanggang sa walang hanggan.